Hey, we're going to go over the latest Pinterest update as of April 2018. I watched a training video or a video between Pinterest and Tailwind where they go over some common questions that people have. And I summarized it in this blog post, so we'll go over that. First of all, the time of day that you pin, it does not matter in Pinterest's eyes. Pinterest followers actually have a way now to see the first 5 pins that you pin a day, and it's based on midnight at universal time clock time. So you'll have to adjust that for where you live in your time zone. So you might consider pinning 5 really good pins at the start of a day, because those will end up on your followers tab. There's no such thing as too much pinning, but Pinterest prefers that you're consistent. And now if people comment on a pin, those comments are combined across all pins. And so this is, I guess, really popular for people who have like recipe pins, because as there's more and more pins, then people put different comments on different pins. Now this is the order that Pinterest will show a pin. First it shows it to your followers first, and then if it sees it's getting good engagement, it'll start redistributing it to other people's home feeds and search results based on keywords. They also recommend don't delete any old pins, that they can still come back. Make sure you use keywords in the pin description, in the board titles, in board descriptions, in your profile, so everywhere to help Pinterest realize what your pin is about. Pinterest loves fresh content, so it doesn't matter if it's a new blog post and a new pin or an old post with a new pin. They like that it's you're continuing to add fresh content to the platform. This is the part I was really excited about, that to Pinterest, it doesn't matter whether you are using a scheduler or manual pinning. To them, it's okay as long as you're consistent. And it's okay to pin to a board more than once, but they think it should be spaced out. They also do recommend using hashtags. At the time that I recorded an earlier video, I wasn't sure, but she really did recommend using hashtags, that people are using them more. And if you want to use Pinterest for a local business, they recommend using geographic terms in your profile names and in the pin description. And the new sizes are 600 by 900 or 600 by 1260. And also, there's no hard and fast rule about whether faces work better in pins. You're just going to have to see. But when it comes to product pins, it's better to show the product being used in a lifestyle setting and not just a picture of the product. So she also didn't say that it was 100% requirement that you should pin other people's pins, but you should have good content, and really you should be just using the platform in a good method. Like if you're expecting other people to pin your pins, you should be also pinning like I described in the training. So that's the update from April 2018.